Hey everybody, so you went ahead and upgraded to the MMI Prime interface in your BMW F30, and your F30 happens to have the NBT head unit, and you might just find it a little difficult to find a location to store the box. Well, stick around because you're going to learn how. This is BimmerTech Digital Shorts. Okay, so you already pulled out the head unit and you got the MMI Prime interface wired up and ready to set in place. Well, there's a spot just to the right behind the housing that just so happens to have enough space where we can store the box. Right behind here. So what you're going to want to do is, with your cables already dressed into place, slide your MMI Prime box with the cable connectors facing you, then carefully do your best to turn the box sideways with the connectors facing towards the driver's side wheel. It'll take some finagling and wiggling around to find the sweet spot. I find that it sits best when it's slightly up and to the right. You'll know it's sitting properly when all you can see is the cables coming out from the side. At this point, you can then hook up all the cables back to your head unit, and you want to be careful that you're paying attention to any resistance from obstructions that are happening behind the head unit. You want to make sure that the head unit slides in smoothly. If you feel that something's in the way, you're going to have to reposition the MMI Prime box, because if you're not careful, you can damage the head unit or the MMI Prime. And with the box in place properly, you can go ahead and hook all the rest of the cables up and place the Wi-Fi antenna on the front face of the head unit. You'll have enough room between the head unit and the control panel itself. Then you can put all the pieces back together and you'll be good to go. And let us know down in the comments section what other tricky scenarios you guys need us to help you with. And while you're at it, if you find this video useful, give us a like and hit subscribe so you can be up to date on the latest videos that we put out.